It is the opening bell this Wednesday morning, and tracking the record moves that we've witnessed on the Japanese Nikkei. Okay, I was just about to say that we're holding out comfortably in the green, but stand corrected. It's actually a bit of a flattish move. The breadth, though, is firmly in favor of the gaining side. A lot of heavyweights seem to be feeling the heat this morning, so just going to track some of those names. You've got an SBI, IndusInd Bank, ICICI Bank, Dr. Reddy's, as well as the entire Nifty Bank Index that's on the back foot this morning. Grasim Industries, Adani Ports, and take a look at Maruti Suzuki. Yet again, a nice 1% gain after yesterday's terrific up move. JSW Steel in the spotlight. The Q1 production is down about 4% on year, so checking in on that counter. You've got a Delta Corp. It's been a weak Q1 set of numbers, as we said. The margins as well have contracted to 17%. Watch out for Adani Ports. They've got an LOI for one of the ports. That's Deen Dayal Port for one of the period of for berth number 13. Infosys has got an order and that stock as well in the spotlight. Havells, there's been some expansion of about 375 crores and investment that they have announced. As we flagged off, there's Mankind and Delivery both in the spotlight on the back of the block deals expected. Kim's has acquired a 200-bed hospital in Vizag, RVNL some order wins, and Shilpa Medicare, the API unit, getting the GMP certificate. A quick check-in on Marathon Next Gen with respect to the sales value that has declined on a year-on-year basis, and LTI Mindtree as well is on the brokerage radar. But for now, it is a record move on the frontline index, I think around that 24,400 mark. The breadth, as we said, firmly skewed in favor of the gaining side. So that's pretty much the market picture this morning, Aisha. Steady.
Yeah, absolutely. The gas stocks, of course, they are the ones which are holding out. IGL, MGL, Gujarat Gas, all of them in the green after that CNG excise cut, which is likely, or so we're picking up from our sources. By the way, the RVNL as well, which has gapped up this morning. Some fresh orders is what they've signed. Supreme Industries, wherein Jeffries has now maintained a buy. They've upped the target price now all the way to 6,700 from the earlier 5,390. That stock is well holding higher by nearly 3%. Delta Corp, of course, the howler of an earnings there. I don't think anything else was expected in any case. A 68% downtick in the net profit alone on a consolidated basis. But I think much of the damage is already in the price. The stock down less than 1% as we speak. What's Mankind and Delivery up to? All those block deals have happened on Mankind, and a series of them 3% higher for Mankind as we speak right now. Check in on Maruti, check in on M&M. One and Eicher, etc. as well are doing. Hero MotoCorp, Tata Motors, the entire pack right now. And M&M is sharply lower actually, 3.25%. I don't know if there is some news flow which is impacting the stock negatively. I mean, for the rest of the pack, auto pack to hold out and M&M to be down 3.5% is a little peculiar. But yeah, largely the trend stays. Naresh, a bit of a quiet start for us, as has been the case for the past many trading sessions. And then, of course, we pick up mid-session. But any first trades that you're punching in right now?
So the trends have been slow and steady only. We've seen a slow start. So Hindalco looks interesting around 705 odd levels. So it comes, that would be a good entry point, or on the way up about 715. So Hindalco would be on the touchline.
Vaishali, what about the first trades that you're looking at?
So I think DLF is picking up good momentum overall. So I would look at DLF right now with 835 as stop loss and look for a target of 870.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.